I'm very excited to announce our upcoming event, which is called Tighten and Lift. So during this event, we're going to showcase some of our favorite non-surgical facelift and neck lift techniques. All of you who do attend will receive an exclusive 20% off the booking price. So on the 24th of September 2020, join us for this exclusive event. We will have snacks, refreshments, an educational talk by myself, but most of all, we get to mingle and catch up. Now, what's more, there will be several door prizes and the chance to win $1,000 off the procedure price. Due to social distancing measures and safety protocols for COVID, please do make sure you RSVP with the link below. I'm very excited to see each and every one of you on the 24th of September, and I'm sure you're all very excited to see us. Have a good day. Goodbye.